welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stop Instagram from sharing your post, your story, your profile, anything connected to Facebook. It is only going to limit to only your Instagram. So let's dive in. So the first thing is let's open our Instagram account. So I'm going to search for Instagram to make it easy. Okay, so guys, when you open your Instagram account, this is our Instagram account. So we're going to open this your profile menu button, click on it. Okay guys, so click on this your profile, you can see, then click on this three line button and click on account center. So if you do not find account center in your own phone, just go to Play Store and go and update your Instagram, and you come back and you will find your account center. Or once you open your account center, now click on, you can see connected experience, so click on share your profile across profile. So now this is it, we have Facebook and Instagram. So we want to stop Instagram from sharing everything to Facebook, so click on Instagram. And now if you see this is turned off. So I've already turned off my own, so Instagram is not going to share my post to Facebook and share my story. Just bubble it up and you close it, so you can see, and you have stopped it. So if you want to stop for Facebook, just click on your Facebook account. Is it, come here and click on Facebook, and you can see it's going to stop, and it's going to stop. That's it. So guys, if you found this helpful, click the like button and subscribe, and you can drop anything in the comment section. I'm gonna show you everything. Thank you guys.